feels right. Don't know what I'm doing, but it feels right. Feels right, feels right. Tell him keep it going, cause it feels nice. Feels nice, feels nice. If you're still into it and it feels right, then it feels. Hi guys, it's Sophie. Welcome back to our channel. So today I'm super excited to bring you guys this fall makeup tutorial, and a lot of you guys requested it in the comments, so that's exactly what I did for you guys today. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So first thing I'm doing is picking up my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light, and I'm just applying this all over my eyelids. And then I did grab a damp beauty sponge to help me buff this out, and then I also set it with a little bit of translucent powder. I used the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And then for my brow bone highlight, I went ahead and picked up my Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13, and I just applied that on my brow bone. And for today's palette, I'm using the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette, and this is the perfect fall palette. All of these shades really embody fall, and I just think that this is a really perfect palette for this tutorial. So first I just grabbed the lightest orange shade, and I'm just starting to buff this into my crease with a fluffy brush. And then with an angled brush, I'm going into this orange down here, which is slightly darker. And I'm just using this to cut my crease, and I'm just going in left and right motions, and I'm going a little bit above my natural crease. I'm just doing this step to add definition in that area. And then I grabbed a slightly fluffier brush and the same eyeshadow, and I'm just starting to diffuse that line, and I'm just going directly over top of where I drew that straight line, and I'm just going in left and right circular motions. Next, I'm picking up the same angled brush, and I'm going into the darkest brown shadow in this palette, and I'm just starting to draw a line the same place that we drew a line previously, but I'm just drawing this on the outer corner and then diffusing it inward. And you want to try to apply this in the most blended way possible. Use less product first, especially if you're a beginner, and that's going to be really helpful to you, and it's going to be a lot easier to blend if you go in with less product first. And then I'm going into the darker orange shade and this round fluffy brush, and I'm just using that to diffuse this line. And for this step, you want to use a small fluffy brush. You don't want a brush that's going to push everything all the way up to the brow bone. You want a brush that's going to help you keep that control, so make sure that you're using a small brush for that step. And then next, I just went into the dark bronzy shade, and I'm just applying it with my finger all over my lid. And as you guys can see, I did not cut the crease in this video. Switching up the technique for you guys. And then I picked up a fluffy brush and the dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm just starting to buff that to the outer corner. I really wanted a smokier type of look, so I just really went in with that dark brown eyeshadow. For liquid liner, I used my Smashbox Always On liquid liner. I actually took this from Bella because I was on the hunt for a liquid liner that doesn't smear when your eyes water on the inner corner, and this one does a really good job of that. For lashes, I applied my Shop Sofie Bella Havana Heat lashes, and then I just applied the light orange shade onto my lower lash line as well as the dark brown shade, and then my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then the last step for this look is to apply Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13 to the inner tear duct and also to the brow bone. And then I wanted my brows to have a wispier look, so I ran my spoolie through some bar soap. And this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's tutorial. Also, if you guys want to be entered for our monthly giveaway, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done in the comment section down below. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!